I look back over my days, all through the years, there were times I thought I wouldn't make it because of all my fears. I found myself in a fight for my life, a battle I thought was too big to win. But every time when I wanted to give up, I found in Jesus all my strength. That's why I pray. I just kept on praying. His word is so real. I trust the Lord, yes I do. Sometimes I look, there was darkness all around, but whenever I heard his voice telling me to go on, I pulled myself together, realizing I just couldn't quit. I knew I couldn't do it on my own. That's why I just kept on praying. I prayed through the storm when all around me was falling. Through the storm, dark clouds, chilly winds. Thank you, Jesus. I just want to thank the Lord. You know what? When all else failed, I knew I had a refuge. With my trust in Him, I knew I wouldn't fail. No, no. But now I know what it took for me to seek the Lord. Each and every day, as I look back, I know I'm blessed.